Students, myself Nuzar Sheikh from Love Group Pumping MPS. Standard 4th, subject EVS 1, first chapter, the life cycle of animals. Look at the puppies and their mother in the picture. Do you see some similarities? जो पिक्चर है उसमें पपीज़ और उनकी मदर में डू यू सी एनी काइंड ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी? यस, द पपीज़ एंड द मदर हैव सिमिलैरिटीज़. ये दोनों दिखने में एक जैसे हैं, दोनों में सिमिलैरिटीज़ है. इन द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर, look at the butterfly and the caterpillar that has come out of the egg. Do you see any similarities? No. The caterpillar and the butterfly has no similarities. ये दोनों एक दूसरे से दिखने में बहुत डिफरेंट है, अलग है. A hen lays eggs. Chicks come out of those eggs. Do kittens come out of eggs? No. Kittens, they take birth from their young one, from their mother. Kittens, they do not come out of eggs, but they are born from their mother body. Kittens जो होते हैं वो egg से बाहर नहीं आते, वो अपने माँ से जन्म लेते हैं. Okay, so cat give them birth. Next, a kid and a fully grown goat are not very different to look at. There is not much difference between a kitten and an adult cat. अभी यहाँ पर goat और जो kid है उसमें ज़्यादा difference नहीं है, दोनों भी बहुत similars हैं. Ant, butterflies, fish, frogs, snakes are all animals that lay eggs. But we have never seen the eggs of that animals. So first we will see the eggs of ant. These are the eggs of ant. Secondly, the eggs of the frog. Frog lays many eggs. Next, the eggs of the snake. Next, the hen, when lays eggs, warmth is necessary for the chick to grow inside the egg. जब भी hen एग देती है तो वो एग को चिक की ग्रोथ के लिए, उसके बेबी की ग्रोथ के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा वार्म नेसेसरी होती है. इसलिए hen हमेशा अपने एग्स के ऊपर बैठी रहती है टू उसको बराबर से वार्म मिलनी चाहिए और चिक की ग्रोथ प्रॉपरली होनी चाहिए. ओके, सो आफ्टर लेइंग देम द hen सिट्स ऑन द एग्स टू कीप देम वार्म. द चिक्स inside slowly keep growing, and when the growth is complete, chick breaks the eggshell. जब पूरी तरह से उसकी ग्रोथ कंप्लीट हो जाती है तो चिक क्या करता है, एगशेल को ब्रेक करके द चिक कम्स आउट. ओके, द चिक कम्स आउट ऑफ द eggshell. Next is hatching. Hatching means that when a hen sits on her egg to warm them, she is said to be hatching her eggs. ये होता है hatching का meaning. So in this way the young ones of the hen are grown. Next is metamorphosis. Metamorphosis, in some animals the young ones grow into an adult that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis का मीनिंग ये है कि बहुत सारे एनिमल्स में उनके यंग वंस उनके अडल्ट से बहुत अलग दिखते हैं. जैसे बटरफ्लाई एंड द कैटरपिलर, दोनों एक दूसरे से बहुत डिफरेंट दिखते हैं. दिस चेंज ऑफ फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड मेटामॉर्फोसिस. ये जो डिफरेंस है बटरफ्लाई और कैटरपिलर में, जो ये लोग बहुत डिफरेंट दिखते हैं, इसको बोला जाता है मेटामॉर्फोसिस. बटरफ्लाई ग्रोज. As the butterfly grows, they pass through 4 stages. They are egg, larva, pupa and adult. जब butterfly grow होती है, it passes through 4 stages. Egg, larva, pupa and adult. These are the main 4 stages in the growth of the butterfly. And butterfly the young one of the butterfly, that is a caterpillar, is totally different from the butterfly. Okay, so these are the three main methods which are involved. These are the three main types of methods of developing young ones in animals. ये तीन मेन प्रकार है जिसके थ्रू यंग वंस की ग्रोथ होती है एनिमल्स में. फर्स्ट है एग लेइंग. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द एग लेइंग इज बर्ड्स, fish, frog, snake, ants. Here we have taken the hens. Okay, they lay the eggs and the chick comes out of the egg and it grows into the adult. Next, second one is the taking birth from the mother's tummy. Examples: cow, sheep, dog, cat. We have taken the cat. This is an example of the animals which take birth from their mother's tummy, showing metamorphosis. The example of that is butterfly. In butterfly, the process of metamorphosis takes place. So, altogether, today we have seen the life cycle of animals, how the three main methods are involved in the life cycle of animals, and the three main methods of developing the young ones in animals are egg laying, taking birth from the mother's tummy, and showing metamorphosis. Thank you.